Someone speaks to you in English. You do not understand. What do?
I smile, I nod, I pretend I understood everything.
And then what happens?
Then I have no idea what is going on, and I am too embarrassed to ask again.
That smile and nod, every English learner knows it. And today, we are going to fix it. Because there is a better way, a simple way. And it is not embarrassing at all.
Really?
Really. If you have ever smiled and nodded in English and had absolutely no idea what was happening, you are in the right place. Subscribe to the English Parent Lab. We teach real English here, not textbook English. New episodes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
First, let us talk about why this happens. Why do we smile and nod instead of asking again?
Because it feels embarrassing. I do not want to seem stupid.
But here is the truth. Asking someone to repeat is not embarrassing. It is normal. Even native English speakers ask people to repeat every single day.
Really? Native speakers too?
Everyone. Sometimes people speak too fast, sometimes the place is noisy, sometimes the accent is different. Asking to repeat is not weakness. It is good communication.
I never thought about it that way.
The embarrassing thing is not asking. The embarrassing thing is nodding and then doing the wrong thing because you did not understand.
That has happened to me many times.
To all of us. So today, no more smiling and nodding. We ask, we clarify, we make sure we understood. There are 5 phrases you need for today. 5 phrases for when you do not understand. Ready?
Ready?
Phrase 1, the most important one. Sorry, can you repeat that, please?
Sorry, can you repeat that, please?
Good. This phrase works in every situation, every time, with everyone. Say it again.
Sorry, can you repeat that, please?
Perfect. Now, phrase 2. When someone speaks too fast, can you speak more slowly, please?
Can you speak more slowly, please?
Good. This is very polite, very natural. Nobody will feel bad when you say this. Say it again.
Can you speak more slowly, please?
Phrase 3. When you hear the words, but you do not know what they mean. Sorry, what does that mean?
Sorry, what does that mean?
Simple, direct, polite, and very useful. Say it again.
Sorry, what does that mean?
Phrase 4. When you want to check that you understood correctly. So, you mean...
So, you mean...
And then you repeat what you think they said. For example, so you mean the meeting is at 3 o'clock?
Oh, so I check my understanding?
Exactly. This phrase shows you are listening. It shows you want to understand. People love this phrase. It makes them feel heard. Say it again.
So, you mean...
And phrase 5, the simplest one, for when you are really confused and you need to start again. I'm sorry. I don't understand.
I'm sorry. I don't understand.
Honest, simple, brave. This phrase takes courage to say the first time, but it is always the right choice. Say it again.
I'm sorry. I don't understand.
Good. 5 phrases. Let us say them all together.
Sorry, can you repeat that, please? Can you speak more slowly, please? Sorry, what does that mean? So, you mean... I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Those 5 phrases will save you every time. every single situation. Use them. Do not smile and nod.
But what if I ask someone to repeat and I still do not understand?
Ask again.
Ask again?
Yes, it is okay to ask twice, sometimes 3 times. The other person wants you to understand. They are not annoyed. They want to help.
I always feel bad asking more than once.
Do not feel bad. Feel brave. You are doing the right thing. If you ask twice, use this phrase. I'm so sorry. One more time, please.
I'm so sorry. One more time, please?
The words, I'm so sorry, at the start, they are not because you did something wrong. They are just warm and polite. They tell the other person you appreciate their patience.
So, sorry here does not mean I made a mistake.
In English, sorry is also used to be polite, not just for mistakes. Sorry, can you repeat? Sorry, what does that mean? The sorry makes everything softer, more friendly.
Sorry is very useful in English.
Very useful. One of the most useful words in the language.
Now, let us practice. I will speak to you. You do not understand. Use one of the 5 phrases. Ready?
Ready.
The meeting is on Thursday at 2:30 in the conference room on the 3rd floor.
Sorry, can you speak more slowly, please?
Of course. The meeting is on Thursday at 2:30 in the conference room on the 3rd floor.
So, you mean the meeting is Thursday at 2:30?
Exactly right. You used 2 phrases. First, you asked for slower speech. Then you checked your understanding. That is perfect communication.
It worked.
It always works. Let us try again. Can you do that for me?
I'm sorry. I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please?
Of course. Can you send me the report by end of day today?
So, you mean you need the report today? Before 5 o'clock?
Yes, exactly. See, you did not smile and nod. You asked, you checked, you understood. That is real English communication.
One more thing before we review. What do you say after someone repeats for you? After they help you understand? Thank you. Yes. Always thank them. 2 ways to say thank you in this situation. Thank you. I understand now. Or, thank you so much. That is very helpful. Thank you. I understand now. Thank you so much. That is very helpful.
These 2 phrases close the moment beautifully. They tell the other person their patience was worth it, and they move the conversation forward.
So the full sequence is ask to repeat, check understanding, say thank you.
Ask, check, thank. Every time. That is the system.
Let us review all the phrases from today. Say each one out loud at home. Do not just listen. Say it.
Ready? Say it with us.
Phrase 1. When you need someone to repeat.
Sorry, can you repeat that, please?
Say it at home. Sorry, can you repeat that, please? Good. Phrase 2. When someone speaks too fast.
Can you speak more slowly, please?
Say it. Can you speak more slowly, please? Good. Phrase 3. When you do not know what a word means.
Sorry, what does that mean?
Say it. Sorry, what does that mean? Good. Phrase 4. When you want to check your understanding.
So you mean...
Say it. So you mean good. Phrase 5. When you are completely lost.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Say it. I'm sorry. I don't understand. Perfect. And the bonus phrase. When you need to ask again.
I'm so sorry. One more time, please.
Say it. I'm so sorry. One more time, please. Now, let us do the full practice one more time. You're at home. Say Maya's lines out loud. I will give you a moment after each line. Ready? Excuse me. The presentation starts at 9:15 in the main hall.
Sorry, can you speak more slowly, please?
Of course. The presentation starts at 9:15 in the main hall.
So you mean 9:15? In the big room?
Exactly right. Well done.
Thank you. I understand now.
You just handled a real English moment. No smiling, no nodding, just asking and understanding.
That is so much better than pretending.
Always. Pretending costs you later. Asking saves you now.
Let us do the final review. What are today's phrases?
Number 1,
Sorry, can you repeat that, please?
number 2,
Can you speak more slowly, please?
number 3,
Sorry, what does that mean?
number 4,
So you mean,
number 5,
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
and the bonus phrase.
I'm so sorry. One more time, please.
6 phrases. Use them every time you do not understand. No more smiling and nodding.
No more smiling and nodding.
In the next episode, we go to a cafe. We learn exactly what to say when you order food and drinks in English. Simple phrases, real situations. See you then.
See you in the next one.